Writing is based on two things. If you have two things, any of the IELTS writing task 2 you can do very easily. Give the monkey what the monkey wants. You are a beginner, you want to practice, you should practice this part. One and the only writing which has two statements. बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. अब ऐसी एग्जाम्पल आपके घर वाले आपको देते ही रहते होंगे. आ जाता है जंगलीपन, है ना. 35% of your writing should be based on first statement. गजनी, है ना, वो तो खुद की बॉडी पे लिख देता है, आपने बॉडी पे नहीं लिखना, आप नोटबुक पे लिख लो. लेटर स्टेटमेंट. ओके, लेट नहीं बोलना आपने, इसे क्या बोलना है, लेटर स्टेटमेंट. If in the IELTS class you do not understand English, it means you are in the wrong class. तो आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी कह रहे हैं दोस्तों, ओके दोस्तों, अब से आप सिर्फ गुजराती बोलोगे. अगर किसी ने पंजाबी बोली उसकी अगर आपने वो चीज़ पहले पढ़ी होती, आज ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. आप ऑलरेडी देर आर मेनी राइटिंग टास्क टू with ideas which I am sharing on my Instagram. Okay, otherwise it is preservation. If I have spoken presentation, that is wrong. Nobody is bound to speak in any language. Your 30% writing is about your opinion. Ideas I told you. Suppose you note down those ideas, will you get good band scores? No. So hi everyone, today we are going to discuss one writing which is also discussion essay writing. Is it clear? So discussion essay writing, does anybody know the meaning of this? What does it mean? Discussion.
Sir, like we have to give our own opinion, or like we have to discuss the views which they gave in the task.
There is a phrase, idiom, in English. Do you know what is the meaning of idioms? कहावत कैन बी, ओके, कहावत, और यू इन पंजाबी में से मुहावरे, राइट. इडियम, गिव द मंकी व्हाट द मंकी वांट. वी विल लेट यू नो दैट हाउ दिस इडियम इज गोइंग टू वर्क विद अवर राइटिंग टुडे. इज इट क्लियर? व्हाट इज द इडियम? गिव द मंकी व्हाट द मंकी वांट. इज इट क्लियर? एंड वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट monkeys here. When we are talking about idioms, okay, for example, हिंदी पंजाबी मुहावरे, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता आप लाठी लेके चले गए भैंस आपकी होगी, हो जाए. कोई मुहावरा पता किसी और को? एनी मुहावरा इन पंजाबी और इंग्लिश?
अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना. क्या आपने कुल्हाड़ी मारी अपने पैर पे? कभी देखा किसी को कुल्हाड़ी मारते?
No sir.
इसका मीनिंग क्या है? द मीनिंग इज वेरी डिफरेंट. We are not talking about any sort of कुल्हाड़ी. कुल्हाड़ी की बात कर रहे हो आप? पैर की बात कर रहे हो? नहीं. The meaning is doing something which is harming to yourself. कुछ ऐसा कर देना जिससे खुद को ही नुकसान हो जाए. अब वो जरूरी नहीं कि कुल्हाड़ी ही मार के आप नुकसान कर सकते हो. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल छुट्टियां लेके भी तो कर ही सकते हो नुकसान अपना, राइट. द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एब्सेंट टुडे, okay, we are going to discuss the writing. Schedule is made. According to that, we are going to start today with the essay writing. And the students who are absent today, क्या होगा? कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे अपने पैर पे वो, है ना. Is it clear? बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. अब ऐसी एग्जाम्पल आपके घर वाले आपको देते ही रहते होंगे. बट क्या आप बंदर हो? नहीं होना यार. अब डेवलप हो गए हो, आप इंसान बन चुके हुए हो. अब थोड़ी चलो कहीं ना कहीं वो आ जाता है जंगलीपन, है ना. बट द रियलिटी इज नाउ यू आर ग्रोन अप. ओके, अब वो नहीं रहे हो बंदर. रियलिटी में बंदर नहीं हुआ कि हो. ओके, आप पिक्चर्स देख लेना, दोनों डिफरेंट लगोगे, है ना. अंदर से सेम हो सकते हो बट बाहर से नहीं हो सेम. So we are going to do one writing, discussion essay writing. मैंने example दी, give the monkey what the monkey want. We come to know that from here. Our question essay writing is divided in two parts. First part is
Statement.
Usually I write here statement, but I am writing here statements today. Because today we have a writing which is discussion essay writing. And this is the writing. And one and the only writing which has two statements. How many statements?
Two statements.
Two statements. Don't worry, it's very easy. Okay. First statement, okay, starts from here and finishes
Here.
here. And the second statement starts from here and finishes here. Is it clear?
Yes.
But give the monkey what the monkey want, we come to know from here, the question. Okay. They are saying discuss. What should we discuss? Both views. Both views means first statement and
Second statement.
second statement. They are saying discuss both views. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, and they are saying and give opinion. So here examiners are asking us to do two things. First, discuss both views, and second is
Opinion.
give your opinion. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So how can we give this information to the examiner? Anyone? First of all, we will discuss this part. Now, how much should we discuss? Out of 100%, out of 100%, we have to give some portion to first statement, some portion to
Second statement.
second statement, and some portion to opinion. So I feel you should give 35% focus on first statement. 35% of your writing should be based on first statement. First statement can also be known as former statement or view. Former view means first statement. अगर आपको भूल जाते हो याददाश्त, गजनी देखा हुआ किसी ने मूवी गजनी,
Yes, sir.
है ना, वो तो खुद की बॉडी पे लिख देता है. आपने बॉडी पे नहीं लिखना, आप नोटबुक पे लिख लो. फॉर्मर मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. इज इट क्लियर? लिख दूं आपके लिए यहाँ पे? नहीं, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. हाउ मच शुड वी डिस्कस दिस? 35% of our writing should be about first statement. Is it clear?
Yes.
Hello Mansi. Take her to the PT classroom. No, here also it's okay. Already I said hello Mansi. Everybody knows Mansi has come. How are you Mansi?
Fine.
Fine. You don't want to know how am I?
How are you, sir?
I am fine. Thank you so much. So kind of you. Okay ji. We call first statement okay former. What we call to the second statement, guys? Anybody? Yes?
Later statement.
Later statement. Okay. LE or LA? ओके, लेटर स्टेटमेंट. ओके, लेट नहीं बोलना आपने, इसे क्या बोलना है? लेटर स्टेटमेंट. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? बट इट इज नॉट विद ई, इट इज विद ए. लेटर यू मे ऑलरेडी नो, है ना, जो आप लिखते हो लेटर्स टू द प्रिंसिपल, समथिंग लाइक दैट. क्लियर एवरीवन? एंड दिस इज
Letter.
second statement. This is second statement. We should try to write this also 35%. Our 35% of the writing should be about second statement. Is it clear everyone? Clear? Your writing is based on two things. If you have two things, any of the IELTS writing task 2 you can do very easily. One is knowledge. The first thing is
Knowledge.
knowledge. The second thing is
Idea.
English. second thing is English. If you have these two things, you can easily write your IELTS writing task too. But if you do not have knowledge, what will you write? But if you have knowledge but do not know English, how will you write? दोनों में से एक भी चीज मिसिंग है तो आप अपनी राइटिंग को लिख नहीं पाओगे. Am I right? Are you all comfortable with English? आरती समझ आ रहा है? आरती अगर नहीं समझ आएगा कहीं पे भी, आपको एक छोटी सी चीज करनी है, दैट इज, मुश्किल तो नहीं है. जैसे आपने ऑब्जेक्शन कर दिया कि मुझे समझ नहीं आया सर, आई विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी और पंजाबी. क्लियर? अगर समझ नहीं आया तो कह दो समझ नहीं आया. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कहने की कि आ गया बहुत जो कि कुछ नहीं आया यार. इज इट हेल्पफुल गाइज? अगर आप कहोगे ना समझ नहीं आया, आफ्टर दिस मैं आपको फिर पर्सनली बता सकता हूँ. मुझे पता होगा कि दिस इज द स्टूडेंट हु इज़ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इन केस यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन इंग्लिश, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आई एम नॉट हेयर टू शो ऑफ माई इंग्लिश. बाकी जो मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ फैंसी वर्ड्स वगैरह ऐड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम स्पीकिंग वेरी बेसिक इंग्लिश. इज इट क्लियर? I don't want to degrade any of you, but I just want to tell you one thing. If in the IELTS class you do not understand English, it means you are in the wrong class. क्योंकि IELTS क्लास होती है इंग्लिश को टेस्ट करने के लिए. Am I right? इंग्लिश को क्या करते हैं हम इसमें? टेस्ट. बहुत बेसिक से शुरू नहीं होती IELTS. अगर हम यहाँ पे सोचो आज सीख रहे हो सिंपल प्रेजेंट, तो ये क्या IELTS की क्लास होगी? नो, वो स्पोकन इंग्लिश की क्लास होगी. राइट? तो आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश ज्वाइन कर सकते हो टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. बट अगर आपने देखा होगा there are many students who are not able to crack their IELTS. क्यों नहीं क्रैक कर पाते? बिकॉज दे आर इन द रॉन्ग क्लास. इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करे बिना IELTS को क्रैक करना इज समथिंग नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. राइट? तो इंग्लिश आनी ज़रूरी है. बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट. फिर भी अगर मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं, तो आई ट्राई टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स एज मच आई कैन. बट द रियलिटी इज, द ट्रुथ इज, यू नीड टू लर्न इंग्लिश. ओके, यहाँ पे हम इंग्लिश को टेस्ट करें. आप देखो हम यहाँ पे सेंटेंसेस नहीं सीख रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इंग्लिश एंड योर नॉलेज. ये दो चीज़ों की हेल्प से वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट योर राइटिंग. Now I want you guys to think about some ideas. What is the question? Some people think governments should spend money on what?
Measures.
On the measures to save languages with few speakers from dying out completely. The meaning of this statement is there anybody who can tell me what is the meaning of this sentence? Anybody?
कई लोग सोच,
Can you speak little louder?
हिंदी में सर बोल.
Sure.
सर कई लोग सोचते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट को मनी अपनी स्पेंड करनी चाहिए अपनी लैंग्वेज को बचाने के लिए. तो मतलब कि फ्यू स्पीकर्स फ्रॉम डाइंग आउट कंप्लीट खत्म होने से अच्छा स्पीकर से उससे मतलब मनी लगा के बचाना चाहिए.
वेरी गुड. देखो एक चीज़ मुझे समझ नहीं आती वैसे. ओके चलो, आई एम स्पीकिंग हिंदी बिकॉज आई फील हिंदी सीम्स लिटिल मोर फॉर्मल. बट आप यहाँ पे हिंदी सीखने नहीं आए हो ना. अब कितनी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी गुरेश्वर को हिंदी बोलने में, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी. इट वॉज विजिबल, है ना? तो यू शुड नॉट फोकस दिस मच और फोर्स योर सेल्फ टू स्पीक हिंदी. यू कैन स्पीक पंजाबी. बी ओके when you are speaking पंजाबी also, है ना? I am okay with हिंदी, इंग्लिश, पंजाबी. सो आई एम गोइंग विद हिंदी. बट अगर आपको हिंदी में समझ नहीं आएगा, मैं पंजाबी में भी जंप कर सकता हूँ. राइट? तो अगर आपका कंफर्ट ढूंढ ही रहे हो, ओके, और या तो कोशिश ही कर रहे हो, तो फिर इंग्लिश में ही कर लो. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इन एनी अदर लैंग्वेज, देन व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? If you don't want to try, then speak Punjabi. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay ji, very good. So he whatever has mentioned is right. Some people think, okay, लोगों की thinking है, okay, some people क्या कर रहे हैं? They are thinking, but they are thinking government को पैसे कहाँ पे spend करने चाहिए? कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों पे जिनसे we can save languages which are going to die out. Die out means will not be spoken in the future. Okay, ऐसी languages जो कि future में ना बोली जाए, those languages we should save. For example, in some of the countries, French is the language they are doing lot. Now you know, for getting PR, French language is helping you a lot. Even the people who know French language, they have more opportunities. So the government of such countries are providing such facilities, so people should try to learn French. So this is how government is trying to save some languages. Is it clear? First statement is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
The second statement is others think this is a waste of financial resources. If government is going to try to save something, they need to spend money.
Yes, sir.
So they think this is a waste of financial resources, means money. Now what you need to do, as I told you, you need two things, knowledge and English. Before I write here some ideas, you should write some ideas why government should spend money on saving, languages which are spoken by a few speakers, or why they should not. Please make some points. You have 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
5 minutes are over, guys. How many of you have found some ideas? Raise your hand. किनको किनको ideas मिले? 1, 2, 3. Guys, can I tell you one thing?
Yes, sir.
Have you guys followed me on Instagram?
Yes, sir.
This question with ideas I have already uploaded just few days back. I have followed NASA on my Instagram. It is not something I am making their followers high. I have followed NASA for information. I have made my Instagram account not only for followers, for giving information. And I think you guys have followed me also for some information. अगर आपने वो चीज़ पहले पढ़ी होती, आज ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती आपको. Already there are many writing tasks too with ideas which I am sharing on my Instagram almost every second day. So please go there, क्योंकि आज आपको एक प्रॉब्लम आई है that you are not getting ideas, right? The first point here is interconnectedness and empathy. Interconnectedness means, for example, suppose we speak Punjabi.
Yes, sir.
You are in Canada, you are facing problems in English, you are not able to express your feelings properly, right? You are not able to connect to somebody because of English, but you are speaking Punjabi now. Oh यार इतनी खुशी होनी ना, तो पंजाबी आती है. Oh यार शुक्र है, बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही है इंग्लिश बोलने से, है ना? You can connect somebody better, right? When you are speaking a language, okay, you are comfortable with. अगर सोचो एक दिन पंजाबी कोई बोले ही ना फिर, और आप पंजाबी बोलते हो, then after you can face some problems. In what? You cannot connect to somebody. Empathy means, sharing your emotions, feelings with somebody. And because of that problem, you may not be able to share your feelings. Okay, so the empathy and interconnectedness can be impacted. ये दोनों चीजें impact हो सकती हैं because of this. Am I right? This is why it is important to save a language or not?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to let your language die out? आप चाहते हो कि पंजाबी एक दिन बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए? No. You may face problems. Is it clear? Second is cultural representation. Guys, you are representing your culture. Suppose you are doing Bhangra, or you are letting somebody know what is Punjab, and you are telling it in English. Will you be able to represent your culture properly?
No, sir.
You cannot save your culture. Language plays a very important role to save a culture. Every culture has a language. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If that language is not there, then how the culture can be saved? Preserved means saved. Is it clear? Any word, if it is bothering you, feel free to ask. कोई भी वर्ड अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, आप पूछ सकते हो गाइस. क्लियर? यहां तक क्लियर हुआ सभी को?
Yes, sir.
एवरीबडी? मैम क्लियर? पक्का? सॉन्ग आओ. Yes.
Maybe you spoke something different.
Cultural preservation.
Yes, sir. Firstly, in previous time you spoke something different. Maybe then presentation maybe you spoke.
I don't think so. Okay. So our second point is cultural preservation. Okay, but I don't think so. I've spoken wrong.
Explain.
Okay, it's okay. Cultural preservation means, everybody,
Like,
a language plays a very important role. Again, I'm saying the same thing. I don't want to explain it because I know I have spoken preservation.
sir,
Okay,
I think that you
It's-
spoke something different.
it's okay. I'll recheck it. No problem. Okay. Otherwise, it is preservation. If I have spoken presentation, that is wrong. Okay. I don't know how did I speak it, but it is preservation. Is it clear? Means saving. What? Culture. And language plays a very important role for saving something, especially the culture. Clear? Next is linguistic diversity. If there is only one language spoken, diversity means there are different languages. Am I right? India is known for its diversity. In India, how many languages are spoken? How many cultures are there? How many religions are there? Right? This is called diversity. Someone is speaking Hindi, someone is speaking Punjabi, someone is speaking Bihari, right? Many more. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That diversity will be missing. Sometimes you like somebody speaking in front of you in any other language, हो ना, आपको थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट होता है ना यार, how is he speaking,
Yes, sir.
right? Last day only I was watching one of the Instagram reels and the girl was saying यार मुझे वो बड़े पसंद आते हैं who are speaking English like so much fluent and all and very nicely they are speaking. So बड़ा मज़ा आता है सुन के. क्यों मज़ा आता है? They are different, right?
Yes, sir.
That difference will die if there is one language only. So that is why we need to preserve languages. We need to save them. Government has to spend money on them. These are the reasons why government should try to save languages. Is it clear? Next, why not? Why not government should spend money? Okay, why government should not spend money? Here are some reasons. The first reason is other bigger things to deal with, like road safety. Government should focus on bigger problems. Safety is a very big concern,
Yes, sir.
right? So government should focus there. They should not focus here. They should focus
Here.
on safety. They have bigger things. Like means example. Like means that like वो वाली liking की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. I like you, you like me. वो नहीं. Like here we are using it for example. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So road safety is just an example. If you think any other problem is there which is bigger, for example, medical facilities, health facilities, right? Education, infrastructure, right? Very good. So road safety is just one example. Unemployment is a bigger problem, right? So that should be also done properly. Government should think about them as well. Is it clear? Next is the the government budget can be unbalanced. Unbalanced means, so suppose you are going shopping. Your budget was 5,000. Okay, and in 5,000 you have to do multiple things. Sorry, 5,000 for shopping and 5,000 for education. You went there, you liked something which is of 7,000. You like it, you bought it. Now your balance is going to be unbalanced.
Yes, sir.
Your balance is going to be
Unbalanced.
unbalanced. Why? First you know spent money 7,000, you were very happy, or I bought something which I liked. When you are going for education now, calling your friend, यार can you give me 2,000 rupees only? Okay, और आपको पता है कि 2,000 अपने फ्रेंड से मांग लिए तो कितना मुश्किल हो जाना उसके लिए, आपकी दोस्ती भी टूट सकती है नहीं तो कई बार कर देते हैं फ्रेंड्स हेल्प, बट बैलेंस तो खराब हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
You are spoiling the balance, so do not let the balance spoiled. So वही कह रहे हैं, if government is going to do something like this, their financial budget, okay, can be unbalanced. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is people's priority for languages, or sorry, for language or languages can be there. For languages cannot be restricted. I cannot force anybody outside that speak in this language only. Nobody is bound to speak in any language. It's your choice. You want to speak English, you want to speak Hindi, you want to speak Punjabi, you want to speak Urdu, French. It's your choice. Would you be happy if somebody is bothering you, restricting you? सुबह उठे और को आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी कह रहे हैं, दोस्तों ओके दोस्तों अब से आप सिर्फ गुजराती बोलोगे, अगर किसी ने पंजाबी बोली उसकी
Seriously.
उसकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन खराब हो सकती है क्योंकि पेनल्टीज लग जाएंगी राइट.
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
सो नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू नो आवर ओपिनियन, व्हाट वी थिंक. अब आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं, दो हाथ दिख रहे हैं, किसका हाथ पकड़ना है? दोनों मत पकड़ लेना दोनों, how it would be possible, whatever you feel. Okay, what is your opinion? Can you tell me your opinion? Government should spend money or government should not spend money on saving languages?
Government should spend money.
Spend money, yes. Spend money, should spend money. Aarti should spend money, yes ma'am. So very good. For culture is very important. So you feel this is the reason. Now why you feel so? Please do not repeat the same ideas. Your 30% writing is about your opinion. Is it clear? You need to add more ideas here. But one more thing I can tell you here. 3 ideas are more than sufficient when you are giving even your opinion.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? For example, you have explained 2 ideas there,
Yes, sir.
right? 2 ideas are explained. When you are explaining this, you can explain it in your opinion. 2 ideas here, 2 ideas for your body paragraph 2, and 3rd paragraph should be on your opinion. 2 ideas for 1 body paragraph are sufficient. 2 ideas for 1 body paragraph are sufficient. You need 1 idea. Have you ever set your Instagram password?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have done this? Okay, I will explain it after 2 minutes. I want you guys to note it down, okay, on your notebooks. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me. After that, I can tell you something about your body paragraphs. So now, how can you keep your writing 35% for your first statement, 35% for your second statement, and 30% for your opinion? I just want to tell you here one very basic logic and one way you can say here which can help you to get very good band scores. Body paragraph. We call it BP also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Your body paragraph, okay, does not require only idea. Ideas I told you. Suppose you note down those ideas, will you get good band scores? No.
No.
When you write your any idea, suppose you have written your first idea. After this, you need to convince the examiner why it is an appropriate idea. For example, Gureshwar, you are here to buy a mobile phone. You come here and I am giving you any mobile phone. And will you buy this? Yes? Can anyone give me any good phone? Yes, please. Suppose I am giving you this phone. Okay. Will you buy this? Guys, this is a very good phone. Who does not want iPhone? Everybody here wants an iPhone. Right? I'm giving an iPhone and you are saying no to this.
Yes.
Similarly, it does not matter. Your idea is very good. Thank you so much, Priyanshu. You still need to convince. I need to convince him. For example, if I say this mobile phone has an offer, you can get it, okay, after paying only 20% of it. He will definitely buy this. Right? I am trying to convince him. Or I am giving some more options or some more offers, I could better say. Similarly, when you have your idea here, you need to explain this. It's very important. It is like your Instagram password. How many of you have password on your Instagram? How many of you have Instagram account?
Everyone.
Everybody has?
Yes, sir.
Did you set the password yourself or somebody else did it? खुद से करा? Raise your hand if you have done this by yourself. Let me remind you something. When you set the password,
Yes, sir.
usually हम passwords कैसे बनाते हैं? सा ग र. Okay. It would be my password. वहाँ पे लिखा होगा. It would be looking like stars. Right?
Yes, sir.
Instagram let me know that it is weak.
Password.
Your password is weak. Then what should we do? We add, in writing we add explanation. Here what we add? Numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now Instagram will let me know this is
Strong password.
very good. It is average. So what should we do next?
Science.
हाँ? Add the date of add कर देते हैं, question mark add कर देते हैं, something like that. Suppose I have added here question mark. Now Instagram will tell me it is strong. अगर आप इस चीज़ को यहाँ पे करना चाहते हो, the same thing you want to do here to make your idea strong. What should you do? You will add here example. Plus you can write the result also. Your choice. This is an option. But this is something you need to do. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Idea, explanation, example, okay, with or without result. When you do this, then you have made your body paragraph very strong. But one idea is not sufficient. You need one more idea. Second idea, you don't need to explain too much. Just simple idea and explain it. That's it. And your first body paragraph is complete. This is how you can write your one body paragraph. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
What happens? Students start writing 250 words writing. You don't need to write 250 words writing. First of all, you should try only one idea with explanation and example. Once you are capable of doing this, trust me, writing 250 words writing will not bother you at all. Right? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So if you are a beginner, you want to practice, you should practice this part rather than writing your 250 words writing.
Samosa.
Suppose you are going Amritsar and you do not know the way. Nowadays we usually use Google Maps. Suppose you do not have the mobile phone also. But you know little bit, yeah, I need to go there. that side. Will you keep driving for 2 hours and then after ask somebody where am I, or after driving for 10 minutes, half an hour you can ask am I on the right side or right path? Am I on the right path? इससे आपने कितना टाइम सेव कर लिया? 1.3 hours, 1.5 hour. Okay, 1.5 hour you have saved here. Is it clear? 1.3 sir is also right. 60 minutes are there. 1 hour 30 minutes. Ha 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 ha. Without knowledge you are laughing. Right? 1.3 is also right. It happens when you don't know something, na, you think second person is wrong. Is it clear everyone? So I just want to tell you, next video is going to be on the template. I am going to tell you how can you write a template. With the help of a template you can write your writing task too. Clear everyone? Right now I am just explaining you what is discussion essay writing and how can you write it. Clear? If you want to know introduction part, how can you start your body paragraph, how can you finish your body paragraph, for that we will go for the template, and conclusion as well will be covered in that only. Right now I just want to ask you one thing. Discussion essay writing is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
How to write a complete writing we will do, okay, just after this now. Clear everyone? Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Moreover, you should also hit the bell icon so you can come to know the notification whenever I upload any of the videos. Thank you so much.